like this is supposed to be the baddest, or the best tasting. One more
One thing for sure, I don't know how to keep that secret to myself, so I have to share it with you. So come this Saturday, September 28th, we will be at the Kingston Night Market at Hope Gardens with the Kingston Kitchen team. So come on out with your friends and your family and let's have a good time. Let's have some fun, eat some good food, and just one bill of vibes. So you can come on out, stop by our tent, try out some of our delicious and amazing meals. I have some new stuff on the menu, from the cake and the pastries up to the food. Some delicious and mouth-watering stuff. Good food, good vibes. Just stop by our booth and let's just have a wonderful time. So come on out with your friends and walk with a little change in your pocket. Listen, my man, if you know what good for you, do not wear slippers or crocs go downtown when you see rain or fall. You're too enough. If you want really hardy, you really understand what I say. When rain fall, don't do it. I repeat, do not do it. So today is Coronation Market shopping. As you know, we have the Kingston Kitchen Night Market event, and we have to get the goodies them, so we have to go right at the source. You know, make no sense to go to the supermarket and buy no produce because it not go work. It things them go expensive, and even after burial, quite a few stuff still expensive. So you know, say the little Betsy here, we have to convert the Betsy so that we can carry the goods. So I got about 50 pounds of Irish, and yes, that's for the event because I have two best-selling items that I always have to include on my menu, and one is our spicy honey barbecue pork chops with creamy garlic mashed potato. And as you know, we don't use the powdered Irish potato. We purchase the Irish and then make it from scratch. And that was it. We got everything and the rain started to fall, so we ended up leaving. Come spend the day with me appliance shopping and also purchasing some ingredients for my first ever pop-up kitchen with the Kingston Kitchen team. So today I'm getting this mini refrigerator for my cakes and pastries for the event because me no want in no problem with public health, so I want to keep my cold food cold. So for my cake and pastries, I want to ensure that they're at the ideal temperature so no bacteria all of them something multiply. And I also went ahead and did a quick Price Mart run to get some ingredients for my meals. So me get some bulk butter, some barbecue sauce, some pasta, shrimp, and the whole works. I didn't end up purchasing everything on one day because one day just could not do it, so I ended up getting everything over a 2 days pan. So if this is your first time doing a pop-up kitchen, just know that it's very costly, but it's a good investment. The pop-up kitchen with the Kingston Kitchen team was a success. I did not know what to expect, and I was just doing my thing. It was very demanding. I can say it was very stressful. I thought that I could do it on my own together with my spouse, but that never worked out, right? So I had help from my friend and also her spouse, and we planned everything and we executed and had a successful pop-up kitchen. The pop-up kitchen, we know what items that we were going to include on the menu. I wanted to do cheesecake, so we made 100 cheesecakes. I went ahead and I purchased these items ahead of time, about a month in advance. So once I had the menu planned, then I know what tools and equipment I needed in order to execute properly. So I got my plates, my forks, my baking tins, ramekin, and so forth, and got all my recipes that I needed for the pop-up kitchen. It's a good investment, I can say, but for starter, if you are going to purchase everything for your first official pop-up kitchen, you're not going to make the profit at first, right? So if you're going to go for the second time, then you'll definitely see some profit, right? But for now, you're just starting up, so you're just going to invest in the business. So we did not see the profit with our first official pop-up kitchen here, but it was a good investment. It was a good learning experience. I really love this experience. My friend also shared the same sentiment as well. If I would do this over again, yes, I would. I really love the experience, and a couple of social media influencers came by our booth and tried out our amazing meal.
With the best tasting Romarin cheesecake. Oh, this is strong.
Oh, yeah. Listen, start to shoot the brother. Start to shoot the man.
Yo, this tastes good. Still not ready. It tastes one enough. The taste is really good.
All right. That one here.
This bad. This is really good. Like, how much does it sell for? Good though.
Yes. All right, see there.
Full. Where you guys love it?
Everything done.
Everything.
I don't know what I want. It's a file paper or something, so yeah.